This is for you. This is for your hand. This is for others. This way of releasing the umbrella shaft's lock doesn't attract unwanted attention. Rigid, but not too rigid, not so rigid that you cannot do this. Release the umbrella shaft's lock this way, so not to attract attention to yourself. If you have to extend your umbrella's shaft using only one hand, do it like this. Rigid. But now, friction locks between this tube and this tube, and between this tube and the tubes that's inside this canopy frame, are too strong to be released by doing this. So you have to use a mechanism that is inside this tube and in the handle. To use this mechanism, twist the handle so it comes off the tube, and until you see this little part here protruding from the bottom of the handle. Now pull, and the lock between this tube and this tube is released, but the friction lock between this tube and this tube is not released yet. So you have to twist this handle back on the tube, and now you can release the lock between this tube and this tube. And you are ready for next use. Always carry the umbrella in this configuration. Handle screwed all the way onto this tube's thread. To use your umbrella, pull its shaft to extend it. To open the canopy, undo this strap and push this runner. To fold the canopy, press this lever and pull the runner. Now, to fold the canopy neatly, gather all the tips of the canopy ribs in your hand, like so. Straighten the fabric's folds, and now wrap around like so with the strap. Fix the strap. To collapse the shaft, do this. It's raining and your umbrella's canopy is open, but you need to use this tube quickly. Do it like this. Press this lever and pull this runner. Grab here.